Talk about picking a fight with the wrong guy. Tony Podesta, the brother of Hillary Clinton campaign manager John Podesta, has resigned from the high-powered lobbying firm the brothers co-founded after he became a subject of special counsel Robert Mueller's investigation due to his links to the same Ukrainian lobbying group that former Trump campaign manager Paul Manafort has been indicted over. So, naturally, Fox News is to blame. Specifically, Tucker Carlson's Fox News program. On his Monday show, Carlson revealed he had gotten a snarling legal threat from a lawyer representing the Democrat lobbyist due to Carlson's reporting on the European Center for Modern Ukraine. Just a quick refresher, the Podesta Group was one of several entities that did lobbying work for the European Center for Modern Ukraine. The Democrat-linked Podesta Group was co-founded by Tony and John Podesta in 1988, although John Podesta left in 1993. Trending, breaking, ESPN sets stage to cut NFL, Knicks' NFL language from contracts. Carlson has not only reported on the ICMA being a sham company representing pro-Russian interests, he said that Podesta was aware of it. And the legal action against Manafort just proves the case, Carlson said. Today's indictment confirms our reporting on this, Carlson said on Monday's edition of Tucker Carlson Tonight. Then Carlson described a legal threat he had received Monday from Jeff Gertenther, a lawyer with Washington law firm Venable LLP. Tony Podesta resigned as head of his company, the Fox News host said. His excuse? Us. Check out Carlson's bombshell 2-minute summary of the case below. That's right. He blamed us. In his parting statement, Podesta said this, quote, "It is impossible to run a public affairs firm while you are under attack by Fox News and the right-wing media." Well, Podesta isn't just complaining about us, he's threatening us. Related, this afternoon, we got a letter from Jeff Gertenther. He's a lawyer with Venable LLP, a big law firm here in D.C. The letter demands that this show, quote, "immediately cease and desist disseminating false and misleading reports about Mr. Podesta and the Podesta Group. It demands we retract and delete all our prior reporting on the Podesta Group and warns if we don't do this, quote, Mr. Podesta may pursue legal action, including for damages, in order to fully protect his rights," he continued. Podesta's lawyer wasn't trying to inform us of anything, but to threaten us, to shut down our reporting on his client, he continued. One lawyer we talked to earlier today said the Podesta people have used this tactic with others before. It's common. It is an effort to use fear to control press coverage. We are not intimidated. We have ample evidence from Mueller's indictment, from a number of confidential sources to paint a pretty clear picture of exactly what the Podesta Group was doing for years here in Washington. Hilariously, Carlson also says the letter claims the Podesta Group never worked with Manafort on behalf of the ICMA. Apparently that lawyer hasn't read the Manafort indictment yet, Carlson pointed out, then noted the parts of the Manafort indictment that specifically name the Podesta Group as being associated with Manafort's efforts. If you're looking for a summary of all this, here's the one-sentence cliff note to the whole affair. The chairman of one major presidential campaign colluded with the brother of the chairman of the other major presidential campaign to enrich themselves by secretly advancing the interests of a foreign adversary, Carlson said. That happened. That's the swamp they told you needed to be drained. As for the lawsuit, we'll let the facts speak for themselves. And we're confident the Mueller investigation will be revealing a lot more about Tony Podesta's lobbying practices in the near future. It doesn't sound like Carlson is going to be backing down anytime soon. Podesta picked a fight with the wrong guy. Please like and share on Facebook and Twitter so everyone can see what kind of swamp Washington really is. What do you think of this lawyer trying to intimidate Tucker Carlson? Scroll down to comment below.